it's me Shafa. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what are the things that I bought from IKEA. So I've recently been to IKEA and you guys must have seen my last vlog. If you haven't checked it out, do not forget to check it out. I'll put card somewhere on this screen so you can check it out. So I'm working on my living room space and I wanted to add a few of stuff in this space, and I kind of did R&D on their online website, but I wanted to check it physically. I mean, how does it look and how does it feel? That's why I went to IKEA and I bought like bunch of stuff for me, and I'm going to be showing you guys what are the things that I bought. So stay tuned and let's just get into the video. So the first thing that I bought from IKEA is this, which is a Lumba pillow. I was eyeing on this for a very long time and I wanted to buy it, so I bought it. And it wasn't really expensive, it was just for 19 dirham, and I was so happy that I am getting Lumba pillow in 19 dirhams. So yeah, I'm gonna buy this. So that's why this Lumba pillow. I haven't really decided where to put this Lumba pillow, on couch or in bedroom. I'll see about that. It's quite fluffy and I really like this, and look at these heart shapes. I think it looks so pretty. So the next product that I bought is this. Doesn't it look amazing? It's quite long, and I bought this for my shelves, which I'm going to be showing you very soon. And I really like how bushy is this and how green is this. It's gonna look amazing on my wall. I have a white wall in my space, and I think it's going to be look amazing. I'm in love with this artificial plant, and you guys already know how I love plants, and I have a lot of plants right now. This artificial plant looks so real that I thought maybe it's a good idea to kind of also add artificial plant, but it looks so real. That's why I bought it. Otherwise, I'm against artificial plants, and for hanging purpose, I think it's going to look amazing. If you want to buy this product, I'll link it down in the description box below, and you guys can check it out over there. I mean, this is the product you should really buy. I mean, look at it, how beautiful it is. Next thing that I bought is this planter, which was like really cheap, and I kind of really like IKEA's planter collection, but some of them are really expensive. But I found this pretty planter, and I'm gonna be keeping my artificial plant in this. This is how I'm gonna be putting it. So I bought this planter for around 6 or 9 bucks. I don't really know the exact number, but I'll put somewhere on the screen. And yeah, this is also a good steal, I feel. If you are planning to buy planter, you can go for this one. Next thing that I bought is this posters. I haven't even opened its package. I mean, I should actually. So I really wanted posters for my coffee table, and I really like how these posters are. I'm going to be DIYing this stuff, by the way, and I'll definitely show you guys how I'm going to be doing it. So I'm not really happy with the quality, but I think it works. So you get like 4 pieces in 5 bucks or 6 bucks, something like that. I mean, I'll put on the screen. I'm not really happy with its quality. I mean, it's quite flexy. I wanted kind of sturdy, but I think it works. Alright, the next thing that I bought is, I really wanted to buy this. I mean, for a very long time, and I finally bought it. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that I kept in mind, you know, that I really need this, but there wasn't a really good time to buy. I was just roaming around in the lighting section because I wanted to buy a floor lamp. And I did, by the way, which is I'm going to be showing you later. But I really wanted to buy this for a very long time, and I found this unexpectedly. And then I thought, you know what, आज तो बनता ही है इसको खरीदना, आज तो नहीं छोड़ना है बस. So that's why I bought this, which is fairy lights. I haven't really opened it yet. I'm just gonna open it and I'll show you guys. This is how it looks. It's battery operated and it doesn't have batteries in it. I was expecting that it has, but it doesn't, and it needs like AA batteries. I mean AA 3 batteries. So I just turned it on and I was like, how fairy lights can change your mood. Let me show you. So the reason that I bought this is because now I'm doing YouTube videos and I really wanted to give like my backdrop a warm and cozy feeling. That's why I bought this, which looks something like this. So the next thing that I bought for my space is shelves. So this is how it looks, and it comes separately, but you have to buy like other bracket. My dining space is a blank canvas, so I really wanted to put this shell, so I bought this for my dining space. So to put this on wall, I'll need a handyman for this. I'll have to wait for some time and then I'll go for this. It also has like white bracket, but I wanted to go for the wooden one, and it's quite heavy. Anyway, so it goes, so the bracket goes like this, if you can see. So I bought 2 shelves for my dining wall and 4 brackets. So these are the 4 brackets that I bought for my shelf, and they look superb in combination, and I'll definitely put its picture somewhere on the screen so you can see how does it look. Next product that I bought is the most expensive out of this shopping. As I guys told you that I wanted floor lamp for my space, and I haven't really opened it yet. So I'm gonna be unboxing it in front of you guys. I was eyeing on some other lamp, but I didn't really get it. It was out of stock. So I had to buy like another which was quite similar to the lamp that I wanted. So that's why I bought this. I haven't really opened its packaging yet, so I'm just gonna go and do a quick unboxing for you guys. So there's this thing about IKEA that you have to assemble your own furniture or any accessory. So that is what I'm gonna be doing, and also unboxing for you guys. So let's see how it looks. Part it's quite heavy, which is really good, and it has like small bulb as well. By the way, I bought these bulbs from IKEA only. It also has another lamp, so that's really cool about this. It comes with a remote as well, and also if you would like to turn on the both bulbs, so you can just do it from here. So I really like this lamp, and I'm glad that I found this piece, and it goes perfectly with my vibe that I want to achieve here in my space. Alright guys, that was all in my IKEA haul, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I mean, if you're planning to buy stuff like this, then you can totally go for this. I'll link it down every product's detail into the description box below. And I hope you like this video, and if you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. And turn on the notifications so you will get notified when I'll make such videos. And that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!